Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you just home remedy to take away that stubborn fat and just keep in shape. Bedtime tea, things that you have in your kitchen, just keep in shape. This is just a bedtime tea, guys. When you drink this tea, honestly, when you wake up in the morning, you're gonna see a maximum result. You should just take away that fat and just keep in shape. If this is sound like what you're interested in, just keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just head into the video. Once again, first we need there is our cup. So I'm gonna use this cup because this is bedtime tea. If you just want to reduce fat and just keep in shape, this is just what you need every night. Make sure you drink it before going to bed. Okay, next thing, I'm gonna pour my water, hot water. You can see it's very hot. So the next thing we're gonna add is our turmeric. So I'll just add half teaspoon of turmeric. Just half teaspoon. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Keep on watching. There's a lot of things I'm gonna add into it. Add is ginger. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Next I'm gonna add is lemon, but I have half lemon here, so I'll just add 2 tablespoons of lemon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So guys, this is your bedtime tea. If you just want to reduce weight and just keep in shape, just drink this thing every night for 1 week. Guys, this thing you are seeing here, it works like magic. Just overnight, you're gonna see the result from the first day you started drinking this. When you drink it at night, when you wake up in the morning, you will see something different. Just go ahead and try it. Go ahead and make yourself a drink. It's so sweet. Wow. If you know you cannot drink it this way, you can go ahead and add your honey, but guys, you can just they just summer drink, guys. So sweet. So guys, another option, if you don't have a powdered ginger or anything I use in this recipe, you can go ahead and use the fresh one. It's all the same thing. Just grate it and just add it inside the cup, inside the hot water, and you take it every night. It works. You're gonna see a maximum result. So here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Please, very important guys, remember to cut down your food intake.